Module 1 Tutorial Instructional Video. The tutorial exercise is a non-graded exercise. Lesson 1 begins with your learning how to identify the noun subject in a simple sentence. By the time you complete Lesson 20, you will have acquired a complete understanding of sentence structure. You will be able to identify how all words, phrases, and clauses function in all sentences that you write or read, as in this example. This newly acquired grammar skill will greatly improve your proofreading, editing, and writing skills. Now here is how you complete a sentence in Lesson 3. In Lesson 3, you are required to identify the subject, the main verb, and all helping verbs in a sentence. The first instruction is always to identify the subject of the sentence by selecting a subject code, clicking on the word in the sentence that is the subject, and then clicking on Check Answer. When your response is correct, a green code will appear above your correct word choice and a new instruction will appear. Until you are able to consistently identify a correct word function selection, use these audio aids to help you make the correct selection. The second instruction is to identify the main verb. The subject and verb together always begin a complete thought. When all required word function selections are correct, green codes will appear above the words, the green correct message will appear, and you then may attempt a new sentence. However, when your word or code selection is incorrect, a red code will appear above your incorrect selection, and this error message will appear. You must remove your incorrect response and make a new selection. Continue these same procedures until all required words are correctly identified. Begin each new lesson by first watching the lesson video, reading the contents in the lesson overview, and then reading the lesson procedures before completing the tutorial exercise.